Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion app effectively. First, understand that Notion is a flexible workspace where you can manage notes, tasks, and projects all in one place. It's designed to adapt to your specific needs, whether for personal organization or team collaboration. We'll cover the basics of setting up your workspace and leveraging its powerful features to boost your productivity. Get ready to transform how you organize your digital life with Notion. To keep your Notion workspace organized, start by structuring your pages with clear headings and toggle lists. This makes information easy to digest and navigate. Linking related pages creates a powerful, interconnected knowledge base, ensuring you can always find what you need. Databases are incredibly useful for tracking anything from daily tasks to complex projects, offering various views like tables, boards, and calendars to suit your preference. Notion offers advanced features to supercharge your productivity. Automate workflows by integrating with other tools, saving valuable time on repetitive tasks. Collaboration is seamless. Share pages and databases with team members, allowing everyone to contribute and stay updated in real time. Plus, embedding external content like videos, PDF, or even Google Maps directly into your pages keeps all relevant information centralized and easily accessible. To truly master Notion, regularly review and refine your setup. This ensures it continues to meet your evolving needs and remains efficient. Don't hesitate to explore the vast library of community templates for fresh ideas and inspiration, helping you discover new ways to utilize the app. And hey, if you're looking to bring your space to life, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals in the description below. It's a fantastic way to enhance your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.